3.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Here is Dr. Wando, your life and health coach, and the Diva Secret Expansion Executive Promoter. So I am here since almost 3 days now. I just came especially for the opening of the coffee we call Brewaah. It's pronounced Brewaah. Okay, there are 2 R, but 1 I is swallowed up. So this coffee is a very, very powerful for energy, for well-being, and also for cognitive. What's cognitive is to be focused, to not be delusional, to not be confused. When you use this coffee, you see the stamina, you see the energy, you see the force. But this coffee, we are promoting so that this coffee will go all over the world. When you use this coffee, you are going to have a different thought about the coffee. Maybe you are somebody that you're afraid about coffee, but this is a healthy coffee. I will do a lot of video to give you more detail about this coffee, why this coffee is important, because this coffee is a unique coffee that's mixed with what we call rose salt. And rose salt is good for our health, so I'm going to give you more detail. So now this coffee, we are about to take it from each nation of Africa. Africa is a continent, so we are going to take from one nation. So prophetically, from here to here, Senegal, we take from Ghana, we take here, we take here, we take here. We're taking to Chad, we're taking to Libya, Algeria, we're taking to Egypt, we're taking to Sudan, we're taking to Ethiopia, Eritrea, Somalia, Kenya, Uganda, and then we take Congo, that's like a continent. We're going to take to Malawi, Tanzania, Zimbabwe, and here. Not only that, we are going to take this one, Diva stick salad. We are going to prophetically to take it to all nations also. So we have prophesied that all nations of Africa, must receive the impactation of this product. From today, I prophesy as a man of God, as a servant of God, I prophesy that every nation will, Diva will be installed. This is our dreams, our team. Winner's choice is going to take this thing up to Botswana, everywhere, and Madagascar. Because once we're in Seychelles, we go to Madagascar. So these are 2 products that we are going to touch many parts of Africa and many Europe also, and Dubai and all Asian countries. So be ready for all and more information very soon. Thank you.
Wow, so great. This is a prosperous John Brito. Wow, guys, look at that one. That is expiring. Whoa! Wow, guys, you are missing something in Africa. You are missing something in Europe. Okay, join me on Facebook and witness firsthand. Woo! Let it be 1 minute. It's still not 1 minute yet. Guys, today we have launched Brewaah. We launched Brewaah today. So Africa, wait for some few days before Brewaah will reach to you. But for now, enjoy the video. Is our founder himself that is here. Enjoy this moment. You see how it looks so amazing. Woo!
Good morning, friends. I'm going to introduce today a special coffee that maybe you have never drunk before. And this coffee, the name of this coffee is Brewaah Coffee. Okay, what is all about Brewaah Coffee? We're going to see together. Awaken your senses, elevate your wellness. Hello to Brewaah Coffee, the perfect fusion of rich flowers, creamy smoothness, and wellness in every shape. Crafted with a premium Arabica coffee and enhanced with a wellness in every shape. Crafted with a premium Arabica coffee and enhanced with a goodness of Himalayan Salt. This unique blend is here to transform your perspective and moment about the coffee. Because we all drink coffee, and most of us we drink some coffee that we're not feeling well. But this morning I'm going to show you another kind of coffee. Okay, another kind of coffee that definitely you fell in love with. This coffee. It's very nice coffee. It's a premium coffee. mixed with the salt. Okay, so this coffee, I tell you, I guarantee you, you're going to fall in love with this coffee this morning. Why choosing the brew coffee? Okay, rich Arabian flavor, smooth, aromatic, even the smell very nice. Packed with antioxidant, mineral booster, Himalayan salt for a healthy balanced cup, guilty-free ingredients. Indulge yourself, low calorie, sweetness with erythritol and sucralose, luscious texture, fruity, creamy and satisfying, convenience ready in a second, just hot water. You can have this coffee in just a second, and it's a very, very, very nice coffee that anybody can make use of it and enjoy it in few minutes. So if you want to go, if you're a lover of coffee, this product is good. This coffee is good for you. Okay, convenient, ready in second, just on hot water only. Crafted for healthy conscious coffee lovers. Support the hydrations and wellness. Perfect for anyone, okay, watching their sugar intake. If you are watching the sugar intake, this coffee is good for you, because the sugar, it doesn't have a sugar that will trigger your sugar. Okay, it's very important. Balanced nutrition with a natural sweetness and creamy goodness. Allergens, alerts. Contain milk and milk protein. Special launch offer. Okay, if you want to know much about this product, we can just get it down for you. Also, start your day the right way with a Brewaah coffee. Packed with the smooth flavor of Arabica coffee and the mineral benefit of Himalayan salt. It is not just delicious, it's also perfect for supporting your weight loss journey. One sachet 35 gram. Serve for two people. Two people also can use it if you want to, and you are not greedy. Making a great way to share the love. You can order now, and we can ship it to you directly. Okay, so this coffee is very nice for you. If you want to know much about this coffee, you can contact me on all the social media, on WhatsApp. My number is +91 9972 97245. Can I repeat again? It's +91 9972 97245. You can follow me on YouTube. It's an easy store, Diva DR. On Instagram, you can get me on Instagram. It's an easy store, Diva. On X also is a easy store, Diva. On Facebook is easy store, Diva. And Twitter also is easy store. That fast, different feel, the energy, ship the brew coffee. So you can just contact me and get those coffee, and those coffee can do good to you. So this coffee this morning, I just want to come and present the brew coffee for the lovers of brew coffee. If anybody want to know about it, you can feel free. Let me ship my coffee. This coffee is so nice to start the day. This coffee is very nice. You see, this is starting of the sun. I don't know, it looks great, no? I'm just drinking. I start my day with the brew coffee. I don't know about you, what you drank this morning. Maybe you drank chai, but this is going to give me energy for whole day, and it suppress also hunger. It will help you for the weight management. So this morning, I'm having my brew coffee. You are welcome to have a brew coffee this morning. Let me show you the box of brew coffee. You can see the brew coffee box over there. So, bon appetit. Brew coffee is here, so you can just make your order. I'm having my brew coffee this morning. So this is the brew coffee. You see over there, that's brew coffee. Wonderful coffee. I finished. I'm going. It's just only short advertisement about brew coffee. So you come late, you can go through it. I just present the brew coffee. So the brew coffee is good. Very, very good for your health. And the day is going to be okay with the brew coffee. So if you have never tasted brew coffee, place your order now. Bye-bye. Love you guys.